Welcome back to Naija News and Entertainment, your number one channel for entertainment news, gist and celebrity gossip happening around. For first-time viewer, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit on the bell button to get new notifications when a story drops. The moment Ike Onyema was dared to pull his shirt at Diane's party. See Mercy Ike's reaction as she surely misses him. Thanks to Diane Russet, we got the privilege to witness Mercy and Ike under the same roof since they broke up their relationship, which started in the Big Brother Naija House. It was a wild slumber party last night as Diane hosted friends and fellow reality TV stars to a get-together. The truth or dare section of the party triggered the wild side of everyone present. Recall we reported earlier that Mercy and Ike failed to recognize each other's presence at the party, while it seems their fellow colleagues are trying to milk the fact that they are no longer together. Former housemate Sadi shared a video of when Ike was told to go shirtless and walk around the room with his bare chest. This move got most ladies in the room screaming at the top of their voice. But an unimpressed Mercy could be seen trying so hard not to laugh, while Sadi did not retreat until she laughs. So guys, what do you think about Mercy's and Ike relationship?